had some new Hatchimals that you wanted to open with me. Do you still want to do that? Oh, Amanda, you sure bet I do. Let me go grab them. Okay, here they are. They're tiny, but they're so cute. It's a 4-pack. Collectibles. Oh, they look so cute and exciting. I'm so glad that I get to help you open them. Oh, me too. Okay, let's get these Hatchimals open. Oh, they're so cute. Let's get them out of this plastic. Okay, Amanda, you can open 2 Hatchimals and I'll open 2 Hatchimals. How does that sound? Oh, thank you. That sounds good. Okay, I'll open mine first. Open. Open. No, open. Come on now. Open. 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 What? I can't open it. Whoa. All right. Last try, and then I don't know what I'm going to do. Ugh. What? Not cool. Hey, maybe if you sit on it, it'll open. Oh, hey, that's a good idea. All right, ready or not, here I sit. Whoa! What in the world? Went all the way over there. All right, well, we might have to ask your mom to help us crack these. Yeah, all right, one more try. Okay, that's it. Let's ask my mom to help us. Mom, we need your help. I'm here.
Hey girls, you calling for me?
Yes, we need help opening these Hatchimals.
What? You need help? They're just Hatchimals. You hatch them and you break them open.
It's not that easy. Yeah, I kept trying, but I couldn't get it unhatched. So that's why we need your help.
Okay, well it shouldn't be that hard. Oh, he's cute. Look at him. Alright, let's see if I can just squeeze it open. There we go. Whoa. That's a weird hatchy egg. It's like plasticky, but like I see why you had a hard time opening this. That's crazy. Alright. Oh, cute! Look at this cute little Hatchimal. He's so adorable. Do you want me to help you open up these other Hatchimals?
Yes, please. Yeah, I'd like you to help me open mine too.
Okay, sounds good. Alright, and then Sunny Star just has this last egg to open. There we go. I can open it with one hand. Ooh, that's a cute Hatchimal. That's like bright blue. It looks like a lamb or a sheep. But let's look here. Let's see what the back of this box says. Oh yeah, she's a farm animal. And the color of the wings that the Hatchimals have will let you know if they're a common Hatchimal, a rare Hatchimal, ultra rare, or limited edition Hatchimal. So, alright, let's look at, ooh, we've got some purple wings right here, so that means this Hatchimal is ultra rare. That's exciting. And then these other 2 that we hatched are the common colored wings. So let's see what other Hatchimals we can get out of this. This is cool. Rub the heart for color change. That's cute. So they're talking about this heart. Rub the heart for color change. Oh, it's turning pink. That's cool. Whoa. Right? Isn't that neat? So that one's pink. This one's still purple. Let's see if this one will turn pink. Yeah, the weird sound. That's cool. Alright, Amanda, do you want me to open yours too, right?
Oh yeah, please. Thank you.
Oh, okay, you're welcome. Alright, so go ahead and open this one. Make it bright pink. They do turn a little bit purple again after you don't touch it for a while. That's so cool. Okay, I hope we get a Hatchimal that has either purple wings or the blue wings, because that means, it's kind of hard to open now. Because that means that it's either ultra rare or limited edition. Oh, look at that cute little thing in there. This looks like a farm one. This looks like a horsey or something. Open! I'm doing this with one hand. These eggs are crazy. Oh, cute. She has silver wings, but she's still so cute. Aww. I love her. She is right here. She's also a farm Hatchimal. Okay, one more. Let's make the heart pink. So cute. Okay, let's punch it. Let's crack it. Oh, ow, ow. Seriously, these are like kind of hard to open. Eee! Right, I cracked it right there. They're like seriously a really weird material. Ooh, it's yellow. It's either couple 2, couple 3. It's an elephant. It looks like an elephant. Oh, she has pink wings. That means she's rare. So cute. Aww. Yeah, there she is right there. She's so adorable. I love her. Oh, that one looks so cute. Looks like its mouth is open, like yawning. So fun.
Thank you, Mom, for helping us open the Hatchimals.
You're welcome, girls. I'll be upstairs if you need me.
Oh, that was so fun, huh, Amanda? Oh, yeah, it was super fun. I love the Hatchimals that I got. They're so cute. Your Hatchimals, they're my Hatchimals. But you let me open them and you're calling them my Hatchimals. No, Amanda, they're my Hatchimals. Oh, well, I'm not giving them back. They're mine. Hey, not fair. Goodbye, I'm going home. What? She just left me and she took my Hatchimals. I just invited her over to have fun and play with me and play with my Hatchimals, but now she took 2 of them. And one of them was a rare Hatchimal. I thought she was a nice baby friend. No, I'm so sad now. So excited to have my Hatchimals. I wanted these things forever. Okay. Gotta get home. Bring my new little Hatchimals home. How you doing, Amanda? Hi, Kalani Star. Oh, you scared me. I'm doing good. How are you? I'm not too shabby. Hey, those are cool Hatchimals. Where'd you get those, Amanda? Oh, I got them from Sunny Star. I'm just borrowing them and playing with them for a little bit, and I'm gonna bring them right back. Oh, those are the ones Sunny Star just got, aren't they? Yeah, they are. We just opened them up just now. Amanda, Sunny Star doesn't like to share things, especially if they're new things. Yeah, I told her I'd bring it right back. As her sister, I feel like I know her better than that. Oh, okay. Do you mind if we go find Sunny Star and ask her just to make sure? Sure. Wait, no, you can just do it. I gotta go home now. Here, you can have the Hatchimals. No, I'd like you to come with me. Oh, okay. Hey, Sunny Star, what's wrong? I thought Amanda was gonna be a good friend, and I had her over to play with me, and we unhatched out some Hatchimals, and she stole 2 of them and then left. I'm so sad. I don't think I'm gonna see my Hatchimals again. Oh. Hey, Amanda, come here. Hi. I think you need to apologize to me and Sunny Star. You can start by giving her the Hatchimals that you took from her and go ahead and apologize to her. Sunny Star, I'm sorry that I took your Hatchimals. I just wanted to borrow them for a little bit, but I am very sorry that I took them from you. It's okay, but I want to be your friend. I don't want to be worried about you stealing my stuff. If you want to borrow my toys or anything, just let me play with them for a little bit, and then I'll let you borrow them and play with them. Okay, well, here you go. You can have them back. So yeah, sorry, Sunny Star. It's okay, I'm glad you came back. Uncle Honey Star, I'm sorry that I lied to you about borrowing the Hatchimals. It's okay, just promise to never, ever, 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 ever do that again. Okay, yes, I promise. Okay, I forgive you. And I forgive you too, Amanda. Thank you, guys.